papaya is now one of the most frequently grown crops in the planet. Its fruit, seeds, and leaves are used in a wide range of culinary and traditional medical applications. In animal experiments, papaya leaf includes unique plant chemicals that have proven broad pharmacological potential. In the area of nutrition, papaya leaf's juice, on the other hand, is quickly gaining popularity for its excellent health and skin advantages. The leaf, like the fruit, is high in digestive enzymes including papain and chymopapain, which help with digestion, bloating, and other digestive issues. Here are the 10 benefits you can obtain from papaya leaf juice. Number 1. Papaya leaves have been found to possess anti-malarial properties as well. Thus, papaya leaf juice is often used in some parts of the world as an antidote for malaria prevention in some endemic regions. Number 2. The greatest anti-cancer properties of papaya are concentrated in its leaf extract. According to a research conducted by the Journal of Ethnopharmacology, papaya leaf juice contains several enzymes, with dramatic cancer-fighting properties against a wide range of tumors, such as cervix, breast cancer, liver cancer, lung cancer, and pancreatic cancer without any toxic effects on the body. As a result, papaya leaf extract is often recommended as part of chemotherapy in some parts of the world. By regulating T cells, papaya leaf extract increases the immune system's response to cancer. Number 3. Papaya leaf juice contains over 50 active ingredients, including carpane compounds that inhibit microorganisms such as fungi, worms, parasites, bacteria as well as many forms of cancer cells. It is often used in herbal medicine to remove intestinal worms, because it contains tannins that protect the intestines from reinfection from tanning proteins in the lining of the intestinal wall. This way the worms cannot attach themselves. Thus, they are effective in preventing the cause of typhoid. Number 4. Papaya leaf juice is a traditional way of treating dengue fever, without pretending any side effects. Scientific research and several case studies have indicated that papaya leaf juice contains the enzymes chymopapain and papain that boost platelets, also known as thrombocytes, and also relieve symptoms. Pharmaceutical companies are already using papaya leaf extract preparations, in the form of capsules and liquid formulas. Number 5. Papaya leaves contain important nutrients such as vitamins A, B1, C, and E, calories, protein, carbohydrates, calcium, phosphorus, iron, and water. Papaya leaf juice has an important enzyme, called papain, that aids in digestion by breaking down protein naturally. Number 6. Encourages hair growth. The papaya leaf extract is believed to improve hair development, prevent baldness, and thin hair. Because of the carpane molecule, it is a common component in anti-dandruff shampoos. This alkaloid component helps to remove debris and grease from your hair and scalp. It may also be used as a natural conditioner to restore your hair's gloss. Number 7. Papaya leaf juice also acts as a potent cleansing agent for the liver, thereby healing many chronic liver diseases, such as jaundice. Jaundice is a disorder in which a high quantity of bilirubin, a yellow-orange bile pigment, causes the skin, whites of the eyes, and mucous membranes to become yellow. And papaya leaf also help cure liver cirrhosis. Number 8. Papain, a protein-dissolving enzyme found in papaya leaves, can be used topically as an exfoliator, to eliminate dead skin cells, and help prevent blocked pores, ingrown hairs, and acne. Papaya leaf enzymes have also been used to aid wound healing fast. Number 9. Juice of papaya leaves is effective in treating eczema. You can apply them on your affected areas after scrubbing. Number 10. Helps to keep blood sugar levels in check. Papaya leaf juice is frequently used as a natural remedy for diabetes treatment and blood sugar control. Papaya leaf extract has been proven to be high in antioxidants and has blood sugar lowering properties in animal studies. According to study, the phytonutrient components in papaya leaves work together to have a powerful antioxidant and immune-enhancing effect in the circulation. The juice can really aid in the regulation of your insulin sensitivity, as well as blood sugar levels. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you're looking for a video like this, look no further. Please consider subscribing to my channel. Thank you.